Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your system language on Chuwi GemiBook Pro. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start and go to the settings. Here, let's find the time and language on the left and then language and region on the right. Right here you will find Windows display language that you can change if you have any language packages downloaded. If you want to download additional packages, select Add Language button and then find whichever language you like. When it's installed, it should appear right here and you'll be able to switch it just like that. And next thing we should do is to go to administrative language settings and change our system locale to a specific language that we've downloaded and select it as our display language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.